Okay, this is Yaakov. We're in Tractate Berachot. This section is called Things Unbecoming of a Torah Scholar. So it says, the rabbis taught in Berachot, 6 things are unbecoming of a Torah scholar. He should not go out wearing perfume. He should not go out with patches on his shoes. He should not go out alone at night. He should not talk with a woman in the street. He should not be the last one to enter the Beit Midrash, and he should not have a meal in the company of ignorant persons. Some add, when walking, he should not make big steps, and he should not walk with an erect posture. So the Gemara now analyzes the 6 unbecoming things. It says he should not go out wearing perfume. So Rabbi Abba, the son of Rabbi Chia ben Abba, said in the name of Rabbi Yochanan, this applies only in a place where homosexuality is prevalent, where men wear perfume to make themselves attractive. And so said Rav Sheshet, this applies only to the scenting of clothes, but when perfume is used on the body, its purpose is to dissipate perspiration, and no one will suspect him of depravity. So Rav Papa said, the hair is in the same category as clothes. Others, however, say as the body. Next, he should not go out with patches on his shoes. This supports Rabbi Chia ben Abba, since Rabbi Chia ben Abba said, it is unbecoming for a Torah scholar to go out with patches on his shoes. Is that indeed so? Rabbi Chia ben Abba himself used to go out with patches on his shoes. So Mar Zutra ben Rabbi Yochanan said, he was speaking of one patch on top of another. And this is unbecoming only on the upper part of the shoe, but on the sole of the shoe, it makes no difference because there it is not visible. Even on the upper part of the shoe, it applies only in the street, but in the house, it does not matter. Also, this applies only during the summer, but during the winter, it does not matter because the mud will hide the patches, according to Rashi. So the next one, he should not go out alone at night, so as not to arouse suspicion that he is going someplace for immoral purposes. So this is the case only if he does not have a fixed time to go learn Torah. But if he has a fixed time, people know that he is going to his nightly Torah session and will not suspect him. Next, he should not talk to a woman in the street. So Rabbi Chisda said, even with his wife. We have learned similarly in a Braita, even with his wife, even with his daughter, even with his sister, because not everyone knows who are his relatives, and they may suspect him of immorality. So he's supposed to stay away from the appearance of these things. So next, he should not be the last to enter the Beit HaMidrash, because people will say that he's lazy. Okay, next, he should not have a meal in the company of ignorant persons. What is the reason? Because he may be influenced by their ways. Next, some add that he should not take big steps, because we learned walking with large steps takes away 1/500th part of a person's eyesight. What is the remedy? If it has been damaged, he can restore his eyesight by drinking of the wine of the Kiddush of Friday night. Next, he should not walk with an erect posture, because we learned a person walks with a proud bearing, even for 4 cubits. It is as if he pushed the feet of the Shekhinah, God's divine presence. He acts arrogantly against God, since it says, the whole earth is full of his glory. Isaiah 6, verse 3.